Just got myself a bottle of wine. I cannot drink without eating, so I'm gonna make myself something that reminds me home. Bigoli In Salsa, specialty from Venice. Let's go. Today's ingredients: fresh bigoli. We make this bigoli at Borti Pasta. So bigoli is a pasta that is typical from Veneto. It resembles like a big spaghettoni, like a big spaghetti, almost like a bucatini. Onions, white onion, some anchovies. These are anchovies imported from Italy. Extra virgin olive oil, some white wine, a little bit, not too much, of parsley, okay? Let's go. Let's start by slicing the onions. I like the white onion to be very thin. Cut it in two in thin slices. And we need to use a lot of onion for this recipe. Okay, like that. Mucho, a lot of onions, tanta cipolla. We're gonna use this olive oil that is fantastic from my hometown. Bassano del Grappa, just north of Italy. They make their own olive oil there. And we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil inside here. Let's keep the fire not too high, okay? Let's caramelize the onion. Let's make the onion, let's cook them and they need to melt kind of. Let's not make them crispy, be careful. No crispy onions here. The secret ingredient is always the pasta water. Slowly. All right, slowly. Yeah. Now we're gonna put the anchovies inside, okay? I love anchovies, so very generous with anchovies. This whole thing is gonna melt. So the anchovies, it's a great source of omega-3 anchovies, guys. Now we're gonna put a little bit of white wine. All the water inside the onion needs to go out and they need to melt with the anchovies. Keep add water and let the onion caramelize, okay? You see the anchovies completely gone. The consistency of the onion is very, very soft and there's a little bit of cream. This gives a lot of flavor to the pasta and that's it. That's it, magic. Borti Pasta magic. Ecco qua ragazzi, now the water is boiling, a few more minutes and we're gonna have our amazing veneziana, la pasta veneziana Bigoli in Salsa. The Bigoli in Salsa in, where? In Miami. We forgot one thing, but it's not too late. We put some salt. Not too much salt for this pasta, only for this one. Because this pasta has this anchovy that are very, very salty. So we're gonna add a little bit and we're gonna keep cooking the pasta. Okay, ready now, our pasta is ready. We'll move the pasta here for a second. We get our sauce here back. And we're gonna put our Bigoli inside the sauce. Nice Bigoli. Bigoli. A very, very famous pasta from Veneto. I add a little bit of olive oil, a little bit more. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. A little bit, not too much. Bing, boom, and bang. Bing, boom, bang, bing, boom, bang. I like to leave a little bit of the sauce. See that sauce there? I like to leave it there a little bit. I nostri Bigoli in Salsa sono pronti, they're ready. Let's add a touch of parsley inside. Finish the pasta. Very good. Wow, look at this. I Bigoli in Salsa. Questa è la salsina. Va sopra. Wonderful. Look at that. Boom. Just a little bit. Our Bigoli in Salsa are ready. And now we're gonna try. And we're gonna see if we can bring us back to Veneto, okay? So what we got here, again, the Bigoli does not need Parmesan. Probably need a little bit of olive oil, which I'm gonna add it. And then you go, and you're gonna taste the sweetness Oh, the onions, I mean, this is amazing. Something different, guys. Very sweet, not too strong, the anchovies. The other day we went in Puglia, just a few weeks ago, tried another pasta. Now we're in Veneto with all Venetian ingredients to taste this magnificent, simple pasta. You know, amazing. Ciao ragazzi, alla prossima!